Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 520M quick attach front loader. Tractor has approximately 450 hours. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. And again, does come with the 520M loader as well. It does have the global style hookup for your bucket connection. Nice clean tractor. Front tires do show a little wear. Looks like it was on pavement for a little while. Back tires are still in really nice shape. A little bit of damage here to the fender. You can see where it got bumped there a little bit. Does have the work lights on front and back of the cab. Extendable 3-point arms. Has a drawbar and top link with the tractor. Dual remotes back here. As you can see, very nice clean machine. Inside the cab looks very much like the exterior, nice and clean in here. Does have the air ride seat for the operator. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel, left-hand power reverser, allows you to change direction without clutching. 12-speed transmission. Has the loader control right there within easy reach, and then also all your PTO 3-point and hydraulic controls located there to the right. Up top you have radio, climate controls, rear view mirror, and sun visor. Looks like the warranty runs into April of 2026. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.